Everyone, an additional video. If you've seen my video on the aubergine pakoras, I've got some leftover batter. So what I'm going to do, I've used a grater to get some slithers of potato pieces and some onion rings, and I'm going to put that in. Here goes the slither of potato. Thin slithers, so it shouldn't take too long. The onion rings. About 2 to 3 minutes. So golden, you can keep it on there as long as you require. Get the nice colour that you like. Usually about 3 minutes on a high heat usually does it for me, especially because the potatoes and the onions that I've cut here are quite thin, so they don't take long to cook. And 2 minutes later and they're done, and they look delicious. So I hope this helped everyone. Make sure you like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll try and get some more cooking stuff done. Remember, I'm not an expert, but at least you know what Joe, an average Joe, a bloke that more has practice with cars than the cooking, can do. Ends up yummy in the end. That's the main thing. Take care. Bye bye.